How to create a professional Discord server. So firstly, we need to create onboarding in hierarchy. So forget the old rules and go to server settings in here, and then navigate to onboarding. Don't forget that you need to create a community first to get this tab appear. And also use the join questions, which should be here. Where are they? To let members pick their interests. This automatically hides unnecessary channels, keeping their sidebar clean. And also in terms of the symbols, you can use the Unicode symbols for channel names. For example, if you have a generic name like chat1 or something, you can just rename it to something like this. You can see I just added a gun to it, but you can just go ahead and open up your, for example, browser and type in symbols for Discord, right? Once again, then go to this site, right? For example, type in folder, search, and there you go, we have a folder icon here. Just press on it, go back, let me rename, edit channel, and I will just paste this folder icon here, save the changes. All right, as you can see now, it looks much better. Then you can also use the Sapphire or Mackie for custom embeds. These are the bots, I guess. Never post rules in plain text. Use an embed card with your brand colors. Also, the important security move, enable Discord's native auto mode to block slurs and spam links instantly. And your community now should be a high-end digital hub. Hopefully this professional build helped you level up your community. If so, smash like and subscribe.